Sairth. Today I am going to explain one topic, fundamental right in India. In previous chapter I have not explained it very properly, so I think today I have to explain it in elaborate manner. So first of all I am going to explain you right to equality. Right to equality is an important right provided for in Article 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 in the Constitution. Right, Article 14 of the Constitutional guarantees that all the citizens shall be equally protected by the laws of country. It means that the state cannot discriminate any of the Indian citizen on the basis of their caste, creed, color, sex, gender, religion or place of birth. Social equality and equal access to public areas. Article 15 of the Constitution states that no person shall be discriminated on the basis of caste, color, language, etc. Every person shall have equal access to public place like public park, museum, wells, bathing ghats and temples. However, the state may any special provision for women and children also. Special provisions may be made for advancements of the any socially or educationally backward class or scheduled tribal people. Equally, in matter of public employments, Article 16 of the Constitution lays down that the equality in the matter of public state cannot discriminate against anyone in the matter of employment. All citizens can apply for the government job. There are some exceptions. The parliamentary may enact a law stating that certain jobs can only be filled by applicants who are domiciled in the areas. This may be meant for posts that require knowledge of the locality and language of the area. The state may also reserve posts for member of backward classes, scheduled classes or scheduled tribal people which are not adequately represented in the services under the state to bring up the weaker section of the society.